In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a controller overlay to OBS step by step for your streaming and recording needs. It's quick, easy, and works for Xbox, PlayStation. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to use a free online tool called Gamepad Viewer. Open your browser and go to gamepadviewer.com. If your controller is connected to your PC, it should automatically detect it. Open Gamepad Viewer, make sure your controller is plugged in, and at the top of Gamepad Viewer, you're going to see where it says Currently Viewing. Where it says None, click Player 1, and then you can select the skin of the controller you would like to use. For this tutorial, I'm going to use an Xbox One overlay skin. Once you have created the overlay, you will then see you can press the buttons and the inputs. Any type of controller that you see here on the screen is available to you, and you will now be able to see that I can press the buttons and they light up, meaning that it's working properly on my screen. Next, we need to grab the overlay URL. Click on the three lines, go down to Generate URL, and then you will go to where it says right up under Generate Custom URL. You can click to copy the URL. Click it and it is copied to your clipboard. Now let's bring this into OBS so it appears in your streaming or recording. Once you're in OBS, you're going to want to go to Scene and make sure you have a scene created. And then you're going to want to go to Sources and add a source with the plus sign. When you click this plus sign, you have a bunch of different options, but you're going to want to click on Browser. In the browser, you're going to want to name your browser CO or Controller Overlay. Then you will see a properties for CO pop up, and you can then delete the OBS project browser source and paste in the browser source from gamepadviewer.com. Click OK, and now you will see you have a disconnected controller on your screen. Now that you have that controller on your screen, you can move the controller inputs on your controller, and you will now see that your controller works on your screen. Now, here's the biggest thing. If your controller does not work, simply unplug and plug your controller back in so that it will register the inputs. You can drag and resize it to place it anywhere on your screen. Some troubleshooting and final tips are, if your controller is not working, try unplugging it and reconnecting it, or try restarting OBS. If you have any issues with your controller inputs when you tab into the game, this may be due to a new update with OBS. Please feel free to check out my video on the fix for that. The link will be on the screen. Now you have a fully working controller overlay in OBS. This will definitely help improve your content. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more content like this. Welcome to the price tag. If you have any questions about OBS or you have a tutorial suggestion, please feel free to drop it in the comments and I'll look at it and see if I can get one out for you.